Do subscribe Travel and Taste channel and like videos. For further videos stay connected. 20 top Middle Eastern foods, which is the best? Each local cuisine has its own delicacies, from UAE to Israel, Kuwait, and Qatar to Lebanon, Egypt, Oman, Jordan, and Turkey. From spices to herbs, from animal-based foods to vegetarian sauces, please join us on a journey to get to know this incredibly original and rich cuisine. We invite all you food lovers who are passionate about trying authentic dishes. We have compiled 20 dishes of rich cuisine just for you. Warning, after see this video you may want to pack your bags and go on a trip to the Middle East. Number 20, Iraqi masgouf. Masgouf is a fish dish eaten all around Iraq and often referred to as the national dish of the country. The fish used to prepare masgouf is usually freshwater car, which is butterflied, marinated, set on skewers, then grilled next to an open fire. Number 19, Knafeh. Knafeh is a traditional Middle Eastern dessert made with spun pastry called Knafeh, soaked in a sweet, sugar-based syrup called etta, and typically laid with cheese, on with other ingredients such as clotted cream, pistachio or nuts, depending on the region. It is popular in the middle. Number 18, Baklava. Baklava is a layered pastry dessert made of phyllo pastry, filled with chopped nuts, and sweetened with syrup or honey. It was one of the most popular sweet pastries of Ottoman cuisine. Number 17, Kebab karaz. The kebab is a mixture of kofta meat, spiced ground meat with spices, onion and parsley, that's cooked, then simmers again in a tangy, sweet and slightly sour cherry sauce. Number 16, Mansaf. The small version of this Jordanian and Palestinian dish looks like a pizza covered with a lamb carcass, while a larger banquet variety can cover a whole table. Despite the intimidating appearance, the tender mutton, covered in yogurt sauce and sprinkled with almond and pine nuts, makes for a culinary masterwork. Number 15, Quwarmah Al Dajaj. Curry veterans, this may be a new one for you. Known to most as Kuwaiti curried chicken, the zesty dish is made with a blend of Middle Eastern flavors and spices, lime, ginger, turmeric, baharat, cumin, cardamom, black pepper, cinnamon, nutmeg, paprika, that combine to give it a distinctive pop. Number 14, Kofta. Common in Iran and Pakistan, these balls of minced lamb or beef have a spicy, onion kick. You can fry, grill, barbecue or bake the patties, but they're best served with a distinctive spicy sauce. In the Arab region, you'll find them in cylinder shapes, often on a stick. Number 13, Dolma. Dolma is Turkey's national dish, and it signifies any sort of vegetable stuffed with a mixture based on rice. For traditional dolma, grape leaves are stuffed with rice and ground meat. Number 12, Shish tawook. Shish meaning skewer and tawook meaning chicken. While each country may have their own version of shish tawook, the basis is the same: cubed chicken marinated in a spiced yogurt and grilled in skewers to perfection. Number 11, Shawarma. People love shawarma because of how meaty it is while still being a healthy food to eat. The way the meat is grilled indeed added to that undeniably great taste. Moreover, it contains various vegetables and sauces and can be eaten in multiple ways. That gives people its authentic taste and unique experience. Number 10, Shanklish. This cow or sheep milk cheese is usually fashioned into golf ball-sized bites and rolled into herbs or chili flakes, the latter version favored in Syria. Also often enjoyed with diced tomato, onion and olive oil. Number 9, Amali. This decadent, authentic Egyptian bread pudding goes by the name of amali and is a breeze to make. Crispy puff pastry is smothered with a sweet cream and milk mixture and topped with an array of nuts, raisins and coconut. delicious and the perfect dessert for a gathering. Number 8. Fattoush. This tangy salad is one of the Middle East's greatest contributions to world culture. Crispy lettuce, crunchy fried squares of pita, diced tomatoes, cucumbers and onion, garlic, lemon, olive oil and mint make for a refreshing addiction. Number 7. Moutabal baba ghanoush. Just when you're ready to declare hummus the best dip on the planet, you find Moutabal. Similar to baba ghanoush, the dip offers a similar consistency with an eggplant kick. Spiced up with chili, it delivers a zing. Number 6. Tabouleh. You don't have to be a vegetarian to enjoy this magical combination of bulgur, parsley, mint, onion and tomatoes. But watch out, you just might be tempted to switch teams after a steady diet of this popular salad. Number 5. Falafel. You may consider fried chickpeas with herbs as simply a great snack, or tasty pita filler. For Middle Easterners, however, the origins of falafel are a matter of patriotic interest. Number 4. Meddamas. Made of fava beans, olive oil, parsley, onion, garlic and lemon, this dish doesn't have the most appetizing of presentations. Blobby brown mush is about the best we can say of it. Taste and texture make up for it. Number 3. Grilled halloumi. These mini slabs of chewy goodness are made from goat and sheep milk. Unlike other cheeses, no acid or bacteria is used during processing. Number 2. Manakeesh. The pizza of the Arabic world. Manakeesh is a round bread sprinkled with either cheese, ground meat or herbs, sueta. It's ideal for breakfast or lunch. Varieties come from both fancy Levantine restaurants or street vendors. Number 1. Hummus. Hummus is a Middle Eastern dip, spread, or savory dish made from cooked, mashed chickpeas blended with tahini, lemon juice, and garlic. The standard garnish in the Middle East includes olive oil, a few whole chickpeas, parsley, and paprika. With this list, you can travel to the Middle East, and you will already be familiar with the popular foods. You will also be prepared to visit Middle Eastern restaurants in your town or cook the recipes at home. So what is your favorite Mideast dish? Do subscribe Travel and Taste channel and like videos. For further videos stay connected.